Alright, guys.
Damn, that's fucking. I'm starting to sweat. I don't like that.
Alright, let me see if I can shoot this shit. Okay.
Come on. Let me get behind.
Hey, is it already caught?
Yeah, man, it's good to go.
Alright.
Dang, you didn't waste a second.
Huh?
So that bitch got some kick to it?
Yeah.
Is there another bullet in it?
Yeah, if you load it.
There ain't another bullet in there?
Yeah.
Oh, there is?
Damn, you shot the dirt.
There you go. Let me try shooting the TV. I'll show you how it's done.
Alright.
Because you missed both shots.
I missed both shots?
Yeah, look at
that shit.
Let me show you how it's done. How do you miss with the shotgun? That's the question.
I'm really not sure, but look at all that fucking dirt. Go over there and look at it.
You shot in front of it. I mean, if it was moving towards you.
So you gotta take your time with it.
I'm trying to fucking catch the bullet in this.
Yeah, I got it.
What if you got up close and just started nailing that bitch? Dow, 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 dow. Alright.
How beautiful this little Fiji's looking now.
Damn. So this is what America looks like nowadays.
What, fucked up?
Yeah.
Hey, what's that bullshit about no government?
I don't know.
Oh, it's gonna be happening soon.
What is that?
Government shutdown and whatnot.
What does that mean?
Like no government.
No
Man,
police?
that's a damn lot.
Dude, let's take that copper in that bitch and let's go scrap it.
We could.
That's a lot of little BBs.
What is
Where?
That went through
Oh, this thing?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Is that all? You bitch sprayed it.
Damn.
Damn.
That'll get a good little birdie.
That shit, some bullets flew off right here. Hold up.
Here, I got my bid.
You know you're redneck whenever your TV's blown in half. Shit.
Here, let me shoot this.
Alright, you gonna shoot a bottle off of it?
Yeah.
Yes, it is.
See if you can.
I'd even be so pro if I shoot this then the bottle.
Okay. Alright. Okay.
Like one
See how-
it's not even hard.
Put that right there, right in front of the bottle. Balance it on it.
Like, what do you mean?
Like, no.
Like, yeah.
Like, turn it sideways and have both of them up there.
Okay, hold this style. Are you still trying to record this?
I'm still recording it.
Damn.
Damn.
Wait, you want me to knock off both?
Yeah, you're gonna knock off both
Maybe
of them.
it's a shotgun. It will, no matter what.
It better.
It has to.
What if it don't? What if it don't even hit them?
Then I'm gonna return the shotgun.
Like, what if the bullets they just go? It's all like, you see it? You're like, fuck that. All right, I'm watching this one, Daniel.
Alright, let's see it. Good old 12 gauge.
Damn.
That was easy, man.
That was the real test right there, though.
How was that the real test? Hey, you saw you should chunk this motherfucker up.
Hey, you can't shoot it.
Yeah, you should try that.
What?
Give me a little Gatorade bottle. I can throw a Gatorade bottle.
As long as that bitch
Chunk
ain't
it. Throw a
nowhere.
Gatorade bottle.
No, you need that.
Are you gonna
Yeah, practice.
pull?
I'll probably miss this motherfucker. I ain't never done that.
Just as long as you don't shoot one of us.
Where you at? Okay, go for it. Hold on. I ain't never done this. Chunk it high though too, you know.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, I don't really know if this is safe. Is there like a? Did you shoot it?
Yeah.
Shit. Well, that's the end of the redneck survival
I think
for today. Shooting zombies every day.